So if you're looking for the shows that are mysterious, addictive, dramatic, and impossible to stop to watch, if you want a show that you want to binge watch at 3 a.m., these are some shows that I would recommend you from all of my heart. One is Pretty Little Liars. This show is basically the teen drama, and one girl gets missing, and all of the other friends get super secret text messages that they cannot tell any other person. Like, every single character has some secrets, and the show actually makes you doubt every single person in that show. Then who might that person be? Thematic, chaotic, and unrealistic sometimes. So entertaining. You will love it, and you have to watch the show. Number second is The Vampire Diaries. I love The Vampire Diaries. The supernatural drama, the tension, the force, the romance that this drama has. It just made me binge watch the whole series. Okay, the whole series, not even a season, it's the whole series that I binge watched. Okay, it's not just vampires, there are family dramas, there are witches, there are werewolves, there's so much going on in the drama that if you are going to watch it, you'll be like, oh my god, what the hell. And I love vampires on the side note, but oh my god, the emotional attachment you develop to the characters of this drama is just insane. It did not happen to me when I watched any other show. Vampire Diaries is a show where I am actually very emotionally attached and involved. I'm like, oh my god, what is going to happen? Oh my god. It just makes you binge watch that show. Number 3 is How to Get Away with Murder. Oh my god. This show is stressful in the best way possible. If you love crime, if you love mystery, if you love thriller, it follows as a law student and a professor, but somehow every season turns into some murder and cover-ups and manipulation and mystery, and it just makes you binge watch it because there's so much mystery going on, there's so much cover-up going on, there's so much manipulation going on that you just want to watch it. Writing, I feel like the writing of this drama is very intense and it's very dramatic that it makes you follow up to the next episode. It's not like that if you are watching the episode and then you can just relax a bit. No, you just have to watch another episode because it's just so magnetic. And number 4 is 56 Days. I recently watched it. It's just a season and it has 8 episodes, but the mystery and the thriller of this drama is also very dark. It's a very nice drama that you can watch and you can binge watch. It's basically a girl and a boy, and they meet randomly, but it's not random. It is planned by someone, by girl basically, and she knew that boy from very long, and that's also a mystery. Like, it's just so much going on into that season, like in such a small span of time. It's just 8 episodes and there's so much season going on. It's called 56 Days and it shows you 56 days earlier and the today. Very nice show with a lot of storyline that is going on in this show. So these are some of my favorite dramas, binge-worthy mystery dramas that I love to watch. And if you want part 2 of this, I will surely make it for you. And you can also recommend me some more dramas as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.